In this lecture, we will cover some of the important text functions. First, we will discuss the trim function. This function removes extra spaces from the string entered. It will remove spaces from the beginning, at the end, or between two words also. Let's look at an example. In cell L5, there are extra spaces in front of the string student1. Using trim, we will remove these extra spaces. For this, type is equal to trim, tab, select the string and press enter. We can see extra spaces are removed. Drag this down to other cells. We can see the extra spaces between student and numeric 1 are removed in the second row, but one space is still there as we would have liked it to be there. In the third row of the table, the extra spaces at the end of the string have been removed. However, these cells contain formula instead of the required string. To get string, select the cells, copy and paste as values. These cells now have actual string values with no extra spaces. Next, we look at concatenate function. This is used to join two or more strings together. To understand further, let us try to create a table where instead of just marks, we write that student 1 has scored so many marks in this subject. To do this, we go to maths column of second table and type concatenate. Select student 1 cell, comma, write the script, space has scored, space, comma, select marks from table 1, comma, enter the script, space in space, and then select the subject. Press enter. You can see that we have the desired output. Put dollar appropriately before dragging this formula to the next cell. Concatenation can also be done using ampersand symbol. We will apply the ampersand symbol to get this same result in the English column. To do this, select student 1 cell, type ampersand, enter the script, type ampersand, select marks, ampersand, enter script again, ampersand, and then select subject. You can drag this to complete the table, but before dragging you need to put dollar symbol. Next up is substitute formula. It is used to substitute a particular string with another string in the selected text. For example, to rectify the spelling of student, we type is equal to substitute, select the text, comma, input the string to be replaced, comma, then input the string which will replace the previous string. You can see the text student is now student. Same thing can be done in sentences also. For second row of table, we can update the score value in the sentence from 38 to 95. In the third row, we can change the text signs to English. Important thing to note here is word signs is case sensitive. If you make the S of signs small, it will not be able to recognize the same. Next is the upper and lower function, which simply convert the entire input string to upper or lower case. For this, we type is equal to upper and select the string. In the next column, we write lower and select the string again. We select both the cells and then drag them down together to extend these for other entries of the table. After this, we look at length function, which returns the length of the input string, that is count of characters including spaces in the string. To apply this, we type is equal to len tab and select the string. Length of first string selected here is 9. For next string, length is 11. You can check manually if Excel is giving you the correct answers. The last set of functions we are going to discuss are left, right and mid. Left function will help us select a particular count of characters in the string from left. In this table, we have QR code values which consist of 3 different parts. One is year of manufacturing, which are the first 4 characters of the QR code. The last 2 characters are the group of that product, and in between there are 5 characters which represent the product ID of that particular product. To segregate the 3 parts from this given QR code, we'll first use the left function. To apply left function, you start typing left, select the string, comma 4. This will return the first 4 characters of the selected string. Right does the same thing, it just starts the counting from the end of the string. For example, here we want to get the right 2 characters of the string. So we type right, select the string, comma 2, press enter. You can see the right 2 characters have been returned. Mid is like left, only difference is you can change the starting point for the count. For example, if you want the 5th to 9th characters from this QR code, you type mid, select the string, comma, give the starting point which is the 5th character, and then give the number of characters that you want, which will be 5. You can double click on the bottom right corner to completely fill this table. Like I told you in the previous lecture, all text functions can be found in the formulas tab of the menu. Please go and explore other text functions also. That's all for this lecture. In next lecture, we will look at the logical functions. Thanks.